Hey, I know we normally do new parts videos on Friday, but this one just can't wait. What are they gonna do, arrest me? If you've been around the restoration world, you know Vintage Air. They've been leading the market in high-quality air conditioning systems for decades, fitting everything from muscle cars to Broncos. But until now, despite increasing demand, there hasn't been a tailor-made solution for classic full-size Jeeps. That's why we teamed up directly with Vintage Air to help design a kit that fits FSJs perfectly. Because of that collaboration, Jeep Heritage has exclusive early availability. You won't find this kit anywhere else right now. This is a complete system. Everything you'll need to convert your old Jeep to modern heat and AC. Evaporator, compressor, condenser, brackets, ducts, controls, you name it. Vintage Air even redesigned a control plate that will bolt right in place of your factory controls on the 86 to 91 models. And for pre-86 models, 3 Vintage Air knobs will be mounted in the original location on the dot. We've been thrilled with the performance of these Gen 5 evaporator modules in our own Vigilante custom resto mods. And this kit is as complete and original looking as you'll be able to find off the shelf. That means you get premium cooling and factory style at a price point that makes complete sense for your build. Nobody else has this kit available right now. So if you've been waiting for Vintage Air to make a SureFit Kit for your full-size Jeep, this is it. Jeep Heritage is proud to bring modern comfort to your classic Jeep. Make driving your Jeep in the summer something you actually look forward to. We're taking orders starting today. Order your kit today at jeepheritage.com.